Hi everybody, welcome to Diamond Paintings with Cat and Dogs. Helen here, and I wanted to show you my new desk. It is actually a puzzle desk, and it has these compartments here where you actually put all your spare puzzles, but as you see I'm using it to hold my pens. It also comes with this cover to protect your puzzles, but I'm using it to protect my diamond paintings. And underneath here, of course, is my light pad. And then there's some felt on here to where it actually keeps the puzzle from sliding. And it actually, the desk is exactly the same size as the actual work area of the puzzle, of the painting, sorry. Just what's over the edge is your borders. So that's really cool and I like it. Also, the legs adjust to go up super high or down low. Of course, it has wheels. And then here in the front, we have two nice, let me get down here, two nice drawers, nice size drawers too, which has what I need to diamond paint with. And it's perfect size right here to all my trays that I use. My kitted up ones here. And my light. My babies. But yeah, I just wanted you guys to see this because I've been researching it for a while because I've always had, I still have my drafting table, but the puzzle tables are actually fit better for your drawings than the drafting tables. But my biggest thing was this is more compact. And I live in an apartment, so this actually is smaller somewhat. It's more compact. It's not as bulky and big, but it's also still efficient enough to hold my drawing. As you see, my drawing's on here perfectly, and there's no hangover or nothing other than the ledge, the edge, which that's no big deal. And then my plastic here that comes with the drawing covers up my drawing perfectly. So even if something happens, something gets pushed on it, fell on it, it's safe. If you have cats, jumps on it, it's not going to ruin your drawing. And like I said, it comes with drawers like this on each side. And I just have it partially closed and then have my pens and my stuff there. So it's out of my way and I don't have to have anything on my stand at all. And then when I go to get my drills, because they're all kitted up in there, all I do is pull my tray out, diamond paint, which is, that's how much I've got done so far, how much I've got left for my second row, because I have it here. I'm just going by the perforated on the plastic, so I cut that off wherever the perforated is, and then that's where my new line starts. So wherever it is here, oops, sorry, just turn that on and blind you guys off. Right here's the line. So I put washi tape across there, that's my line. So this is my bottom, this is my top, that's my next row. I didn't like just cutting that one spot off. I didn't like it. I like my reverse paper, so I like this better. This is the way I like it. Usually I take the plastic completely off and then completely reverse paper everything. But actually, this is my first time doing it with the perforated, and I like it. I just don't like the section. These sections here are just a little bit bigger than what the perforated is. That's the only difference. So I just wanted to come on here and show you a little bit of my small little area here. My desk and my chair. My cabinet's back there. Back in there, this cabinet there has my spare drills in it, and my kitted ups in it. On top is just miscellaneous, and then my trays. So let's go for a little walk, and I'll show you what I did so far with the rest of my stuff. So my grandbaby's chair, let's go in here, down my hallway, and into a messy spare bedroom, which will soon be toy room / craft room. So let's move the tripod here out of the way. There's one shelf that I need to organize and stuff. That there has all my washi tapes. There's spare trays and stuff there. There's some of my stash, and there's some more of my stash and drills. That piece of cardboard there, I have diamond paintings done and not done in it. Still, me and Tolly need to show you that. It's the best way for small places to store your diamond paintings. There is a Christmas painting that was done last year. And then here's my cabinet, which you all seen, which is a mess right now, so don't mind it. I need to clean. I just kind of threw everything in this room to organize and stuff, and I just, between being sick and having my grandbaby, I haven't had a chance. But this all needs organized. I have some small little drawings in here. My stuff for my heaven and earth design that me and Tolly's doing. Tolly's, I think, is almost done. If not done, I'm way behind. Shame on me, but I am. But as you see, there's going to be toys in here. There's a TV. That goes bye-byes. Swing and a chair for my grandbabies. Other junk. And then here is full of junk. The drafting table, which is in here. As you see, it is actually a little bit bigger than the puzzle table I have in there now. So once I get this cleaned up and everything, I'll have the drafting table in here, and I'll have this stuff in here. And then when my grandbaby wants to come in here and play with stuff that doesn't fit in my living room, then Grandma can come in here, sit at her drafting table, and work while she plays. And also, I wanted to show you something. I have a nice tapestry that Bestie got me for Christmas, hanging on the wall. It is so pretty. Makes my spare bedroom look like I have a wall of books. So, just wanted to show you that. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a little bit more of my small crafts area and get more organized. And as I get more organized, I will be showing you more and more of good ideas to have a craft room for an apartment. And I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please, sorry, I'm having some health problems right now. Please subscribe, comment, and like videos. We like all the feedback. We try to get back to everybody. We try to use all the feedback positively to everything that we do. And again, thank you again. Me and Tolly really appreciate everything. You guys have a good night. Bye.